Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss about sickle cell anemia. So for that we need to understand the structure of hemoglobin and RBC. We know that our blood have three types of cells: RBC, WBC and platelets. RBCs are the cells which are responsible for capturing and carrying oxygen, while WBCs for defense and platelets are for clotting. RBC have a special molecule that's called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a quaternary structure of protein, and it captures or carries four molecules of oxygen. It have two alpha chains and two beta chains and four iron. If I draw the structure of hemoglobin, so it's something like this. These are four iron molecules with the chains attached with them. These are two alpha and two beta chains. There's a bond between these four structures, and so this is a healthy hemoglobin which captures like oxygen, so like this. Okay, so this is how the basic normal hemoglobin works like. But in case of anemia, if I define anemia, just anemia, not sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is a type of anemia. Anemia is basically categorized into different categories depending on what type of anemia it is. So we got pernicious anemia and a couple of more. So sickle cell is one of the type of anemia. Anemia is basically caused by faulty RBC or faulty hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, a normal hemoglobin is represented as like this, like a capital A on the right corner of these two letters H and B. This is the representation of the normal anemia, when the RBC have like the capacity to carry four molecules of oxygen at a time. So anemia is caused when there is a change. Look, hemoglobin is a protein, and whenever a protein have a change in the sequence of amino acid, it becomes abnormal and it causes a disease. So whenever there's a change in sequence of amino acids, the protein become abnormal. Now in case of sickle cell anemia, what happens is that hemoglobin is a protein, and hemoglobin have 474 amino acids, and when only one amino acid out of these 574 amino acid changes, it causes sickle cell anemia. Now it depends what amino acid is changed. In terms of sickle cell anemia, there's only one specific amino acid that is changed. I'm going to tell you the number and the position of that amino acid. At sixth position, in the beta chain, we got like alpha chains and beta chains, right? So on beta chain, when on the sixth position in the beta chain, when the glutamic acid, we know that glutamic acid is a amino acid, right? When it changes to valine, so this causes sickle cell anemia. And we know that glutamic acid is a acidic amino acid. Okay, valine is a neutral amino acid. So hemoglobin with glutamic acid is normal, but with valine at the 6th position on beta chain causes sickle cell anemia. Now a normal hemoglobin is represented by HB with a capital A, but a sickle cell hemoglobin is represented as HBS. So this is a normal RBC, but this is a sickle-celled RBC. Okay, so the capacity of capturing oxygen in terms of sickle cell anemia is really reduced. And the eventual thing which happens is, of course, death. As you can see in the picture, what's happening is this is basically a normal